I will talk about how can you enable follows notifications on your eToro app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings, just click on it. It's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on notifications, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on social activity, you click on it. You come here to follows, clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean follows notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do to enable it. I wish you a great, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.